Welcome to Fluent Path English. If you want to speak clear, confident English in real life and at work, you're in the right place. Subscribe and start improving your English step by step. In today's lesson, you'll learn 50 simple English sentences you can use in your daily life. These sentences are easy, practical, and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to use them every day. Let's begin. First, greetings. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from Ethiopia. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good. Now repeat them once more. Now, daily conversations. How was your day? It was good. What are you doing? I'm working right now. Are you free today? Let's go out. That sounds good. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. See you later. Try to say them clearly. Next, sentences you use at home. I'm at home. I'm cooking food. I'm watching TV. I'm cleaning my room. I need to rest. I'm going to sleep. Turn off the light. Open the door. Close the window. I'm busy right now. Repeat after me slowly. Now, English for work or school. I'm going to work. I'm studying English. I have a meeting. I need help. Can you explain this? I understand. I don't understand. Please repeat that. That's easy. That's difficult. Keep practicing. Next, shopping in outside. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have this in another size? I'll take it. Where is the bathroom? I'm looking for this place. Can you help me? Thank you very much. Good job. Finally, feelings and opinions. I'm happy today. I'm tired. I like it. I don't like it. That's interesting. I agree. I don't agree. Say them with confidence. Now you've learned 50 useful English sentences. The most important thing is practice. Don't just watch, speak out loud. Use these sentences in your daily life. Even small practice every day will improve your English. Thanks for learning with me. Subscribe to Fluent Path English for simple, real-life English lessons. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.